Now the DL element is used to contain the definition list. DL, definition list. Inside the definition list there are two other elements. One is the DT element, which stands for the definition term, and then another DD element, which stands for the definition of the particular term. You know, I explained that definition list is used in defining some terms. Okay, so let's go straight to our text editor and give these examples. So let me just do another H2 and give it a name, definition lists. Sitting on top of definition list is a DL, close the bracket. Inside each DL there is a DT and a DD. So let's do the DT to indicate the term or the jargon we would like to explain. So let's say we would like to explain noun, and then under the DT there is a DD, and the DD is used in defining what the term is. So in defining what a noun is, so I can type and say the name of a person, an animal, a place, or a thing, full stop. So this becomes one list. It's different. If you look at the structure, it's different from the way unordered lists are and the way ordered lists are. In doing definition lists, they all come into this big element called DL element, and this DL element will contain a DT element, which is what? A DT element, which is the definition term, and then DD, which is the definition of the term. So this is one list item. It can contain series of what? Series of definition terms and their meanings. So let me just copy, let me paste this one. Let me just write verb, and the explanation or the definition of a verb is a doing word or an action word. I can create more lists. Let me just write another term, pronoun, and then the explanation or the definition. It takes place of, or one can say it is used place of a noun. It means the same. You can keep on giving a lot of what? Definitions and their what? And explaining the terms. Let me save, Ctrl S, and refresh my browser. So you see definition terms. You see the term to your extreme right, and then your extreme left, beg your pardon, and then the meaning is what? Indented. This another term, meaning. This another term, meaning, and there's another term, meaning. So that is how definition list also works.